Princess Diana. Princess Diana was Princess of Wales while married of Prince Charles. Diana was born on July 1st, 1961 in England. Diana was the daughter of Edward John Spencer. Her parents divorced when Diana was young and her father owned custody of the children. Diana had two older sisters, Lady John Fellows and Lady Sarah. She married the heir to the British throne, Prince Charles, on July 29, 1981. Their wedding took place at St. Paul Cathedral in the presence of 2,650 guests. Diana and Charles had two sons, Prince William Arthur Phillips Louis, born on January 21, 1982, and Prince Harry Charles Albert David, born on September 15, 1984. Diana's separation on Charles was announced in December 1992. Their divorce was finalized in August 1996. She died in a 1997 car crash. She is remembered as the People's Princess because of her widespread popularity and global humanity and efforts.